So we're going to talk a little bit about templates. So templates are something that you can open a new document from a template, and you can actually save things as templates. If you think it's going to be something that's useful for the whole district, you can request to have your item uploaded to the template gallery, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to show you just how to do it with a couple of different of the Google apps. So I have one Google Doc up and I have one Google Slide up that I think would be useful templates. So I have it very basic right now, so there's nothing inside, so these are completely easy to fill in for people, and I'm going to add it to the template gallery. And so that will give others in the organization the choice of starting a new document using this template. So I'm just going to click the home button, and then you can see it shows the template gallery here, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go to the sandwich one, and right here is the submit template option. So I can click on that, and I can select a document, and I can say if I want to submit a copy of it instead of the original. So I'm going to select a document, and I'm going to do my recent documents because I just opened these up. And I'm going to do my choice board, and I'm just going to make a copy of it. I'm going to call it choice board. And then I can categorize it if I want. So, you know, they have flyers, they have lesson plans, presentation designs, so you can sort of decide where you're going to put it. So I think it would probably go into a lesson plan. I don't know. You can sort of decide on your category, and I'm going to click the submit button, and so that way it's done. And you can see, I'm going to show you how you can get to the template gallery from other Google apps as well. So here I am. If I click on that icon to go to the slides home, then I'm going to get the template gallery again, and I'm just going to give me to the submit button, and you can see which ones are already here. So there's a brochure template, there's a mind mapping template, and then there's some Jeopardy boards in here. So I'm going to submit my template design, select my presentation. I'm going to go to a recent one, and so maybe I'm going to call this like soundboard or letter tile board. And let's see. So again, they have these different categories. I'm still going to put it under lesson plans because I still think that would help with lesson planning. Okay, and I'm going to hit submit. And so these have been submitted. Now I need to wait for an administrator to approve them, and then I'm going to show you how you can open them up. So once you've submitted it, it's going to trigger for anyone in the tech department to be able to approve it. So someone has to be an administrator in our Google program. And if they are, then they can approve it. And so once it's been approved, and you could always put in a tech ticket, you could send me a message, so however you want to do that. But then once you have that and it's been approved, if I do file and I do new, you can see it says from template here. So I can click on from template, and then it has, you know, at the high school, these are different ones that they already have. And now there's this new one for choice board. So I can click on that, and now I can use this. So it's going to make a new document for me, and I can start editing this myself. So the same thing over here, if I do file new, and again from template. So now I have the letter tile board, and it has the name that I want. And so now if I wanted kids to spell things, and they could drag things, they could drag letters up. If I wanted them to spell the suffix, I could click on, you know, I could teach them how to use this, and this could be something that the students could use. And I can use this to make multiple slides and add some sound in there so that I can get the kids spelling using a tile board, which is something that they're familiar with. So the final really cool thing about the template gallery is that students have access to the templates. So once you've made a structure, then all the kids can do it. So if you have something that's common that you use a lot in your classroom, then you can just say, okay, everyone, you're going to open up, you know, Google Docs or Google Slides, and you're going to go to whatever template. And so they'll just go to File New, and they'll do From Template, just like we're used to doing. And then they can go in and they can add whichever one it is they want to use. So if you wanted to work on a flyer, you could click on the flyer brochure, and now this is opened, and I would be able to edit this as a student. So it can be obviously very handy in your classroom if you use it. templates can be deleted if you think like this one's old, I don't like this one anymore, but you just need to be careful to make sure other people aren't using it before you request the delete. So I hope you'll give templates a try.